Smith's. I've never seen that before. I talked to her to buy a couple balls, but
what is it?
I don't know.
Oh, I didn't tell Mom.
Oh, Mad Dog 2020.
What, Grandma?
I told her it's gonna tickle paint stuff, isn't it?
What are you eating?
So how much is it expensive for wine? Well, it's expensive for, expensive for wine. You pay $1,000 a bottle. This one's about $85 a bottle. Right? Something like that.
Did you have to pay that much in Italy for it?
Oh, that
You
looks
do now.
cool.
$85 US dollars.
Do you want more?
Yeah. US dollars not worth much anymore.